Hey guys, Dr. Decks here. Today we are doing privacy screens and some steps. So if you get something out of this video, or just while you're thinking about it, as a matter of fact, if you've ever slept before, click that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified every time you wake up, click the bell icon as well. All right, so today we are framing up our wall. Framing up our wall for privacy screens, and we're gonna do a horizontal screen, and it's gonna be random length and random color as well. So we're gonna use the two field colors, which is TimberTech Azek, Coastline, and Dark Hickory, and then one other color called English Walnut to kind of break it up and give it a bit of a unique look. So we have that going on over here. We're framing up that. Andy's over here working on this step. You can go over there and check him out in a little bit. He's cutting up some stair parts right now. Homeowner had a specific request for us. They've had some issues with their dryer vent clogging in the past. We are in a construction zone, so it's all right. So they asked me if I could make some way for them to be able to see their dryer vent, even though it's covered, so they could see the steam coming out, making sure that the dryer vent's still working. Just check it from the window, whatever. So what I did was I ended up making a removable grate out of matching decking material, so they can always get to their dryer vent. They can always get it cleaned out, and also something that looks kind of nice and that's easily removable. So that's what that is. It's pretty sturdy too. I can stand on it.
First time Andy is wrapping a staircase on his own today, so I'm excited about it. We'll see how it turns out. Hopefully fantastic. So we've got a little bit of a gap in the back that didn't look very good, so I cut just a little strip of decking, but because we already have the fascia up on the deck, there's not really any place for me to fasten this piece in the back. So we're gonna go with Jay's recommendation, and we're going to screw these two boards together so that you just can't tell there's a gap back here, and it'll look nice and clean. So yeah, this is pretty much gonna be the concept. We're gonna use some Fastenmaster 3.5s, and we'll do a little pre-drilling, and then these are just gonna get screwed in just like this every so often, and it'll end up being just a nice little board butted against each other, and then we'll slide this whole piece in, and that'll look pretty good. Andy loves cupcakes. You guys would probably think I eat them all the time for as often as I talk about cupcakes, but I really don't. So before, we had a pretty ugly gap in the back, and now we're gonna have a nice looking seam. A little bit different than the rest of it, but it's so small that I don't think anybody will pay any attention to it, and it's gonna look a lot better than a gap back here of just air. So.
Except the top and bottom were Dark Hickory. All right, so we have our privacy screen done. Basically got this buttoned up, everything's screwed and fastened. Cortex looks really good. Caps and bases are on. Got our top cap on. So this is complete, and we can go on to the next task. We have some hand railing to do, put on some end caps onto some beams, and then we'll start building our bench. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, click that subscribe button and share it around with your friends and your family and everybody you know. Thanks for watching, and click the bell icon as well if you want to be notified of future updates that we put out. We usually put out videos 5 days a week. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.